Good morning, traders. Nick Mastrandrea, Market Tea Leaves, here to bring you our daily market buyers video for Tuesday, May 13th. It's approximately 5:40 a.m. or 20 minutes to 6 on the East Coast. We're going to take a look at the overnight session in Asia. Asia closed mainly to the high side, probably on the heels of what happened on Wall Street yesterday, with the exception of the Shanghai and Singapore exchanges, which closed down. Currently right now in Europe, and this is current and ongoing, Europe is again trading mainly to the high side, with the exception of the Milan and the Spanish IBEX exchanges, which are trading lower. Now we're going to take a look at market correlation as it stands. Currencies in terms of the US dollar is trading up. It's been trading up pretty much all morning long. Energies in terms of crude is also trading higher. There is no correlation between the US dollar and crude as of this writing. And one point of note is that the crude prices are continually going upward, if you will. Financials in terms of the bonds are trading higher. They've been trading higher pretty much all morning long. Indices in terms of the S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average, all pointing to higher open. One point I should bring out though is that this is starting to weaken. This is much higher earlier this morning, but is starting to degrade down in value. Metals in terms of gold is trading lower. Now we were to take a look at news items that's on the docket for the U.S. markets today. We do have a small business index at 7:30 a.m. This is not considered to be major. However, at 8:30 a.m. we have core retail sales, import prices. These are considered to be major reports. Business inventories is out at 10 a.m. All in all, the bias is neutral today. And a neutral bias for those of you who are new subscribers means that the markets could go in any particular direction today. When I review the futures, etc., it doesn't necessarily seem to have very much of a sense of itself in terms of direction. Everything except gold seems to be pointing higher. When all things are pointing higher or lower, basically means that the market doesn't have any sense of itself and no sense of real direction. So it's something to be mindful of trading today. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything can happen in a volatile market, but additionally, these reports coming out at 8:30, I mean, they have the potential to change market direction. So it's something to be mindful of trading today. Wouldn't recommend trading into the news, but I would wait and judge the market's reaction to the news. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.